This is the Neutromo high-speed hair dryer, a professional-style blow dryer designed for fast drying and convenient everyday styling at home or while traveling. One of the standout features is the 160,000 revolutions per minute high-speed motor, which is designed to help dry hair quickly while maintaining a lightweight and compact design. According to the product description, it supports fast drying in around 3 minutes, making it convenient for busy mornings or quick touch-ups before heading out. It also features negative ionic technology, designed to help reduce static and support a smoother-looking finish during styling. The dryer includes a diffuser nozzle, which can be useful for different hair types and styling preferences, especially for adding volume or defining natural texture. I also like the low-noise design, which makes it more comfortable to use at home without excessive sound. The included carry case is another practical feature, making it easy to pack for vacations, business trips, gym bags, or general travel. The gray finish gives it a sleek and modern appearance,